Package quantity control is a feature that helps you better keep track of the product sales records based on the corresponding packages. Make sure to have the manage safe shelf inventory and edit product permissions if you want to fully utilize this feature. Navigate to Config, Settings, Inventory, and enable the Package Control checkbox. Now navigate to product profiles that you want to utilize package control with. Click on Edit Product and make sure that the Enable Package Control toggle is set to On. Keep in mind that the product must not contain any active quantity for you to successfully do this. The feature may also be enabled during the creation of the product by switching on the corresponding toggle. After enabling package control for a product, every new package that you check into it will have a separate barcode generated for it. This barcode will then be printed on IndicaOnline labels, and when scanned, pull up the specific package it is assigned to. Please note that if you disable the package control setting, all of the products that are currently marked as package control will remain as they are. With package control enabled, you will need to choose a package if there are several when transferring or adjusting product quantity. Transferring quantity from one product to another will be impossible, and the Another Product button will be disabled. Open a product profile that has package control enabled and drag the product quantity into another office. This procedure will bring up the transfer pop-up. You can learn more about product transfers by watching this video. Package control allows you to specify the harvest/production date, best by date, and other package-specific information during check-in. This info can be later printed on the product label. The UID field is obligatory when you're checking in a new package. The UID, Unique Identifier Number, is an alphanumeric code of 18 to 30 characters that helps to identify and track packages. You'll be notified if the UID you entered has already been used to check in another package. An external barcode may also be set here. If an external barcode is set for a certain package, IndicaOnline will be able to recognize it and pull that package when it's scanned during fulfillment or order creation. In case the same external barcode was assigned to multiple packages in the same product profile, upon scanning it into the system, will offer you the manual selection of all packages that it's set for. Lab results may be specified by enabling Has Lab Results toggle on the bottom of the check-in window. First, you will need to select a pre-created lab. If you do not have any in your system yet, navigate to Inventory, Labs on Web, and add it there. Then specify at least one cannabinoid and as many terpenes as you need. Their potency and unit of measurement. After saving, such a package will keep this information in its profile, and every label printed for it will contain these lab results. By default, all package control inventory has to be scanned to be used in the cart on POS. You may opt to choose the package manually without scanning its barcode by enabling manual package selection. Go to Config, Settings, Inventory, and enable manual package selection. Remember to click Save at the bottom of the page to apply the changes.